People think to earn publicity, you need to spend a lot of money on ads, but that is not true. You can actually earn tons of local and national publicity without spending 1 cent. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But first, please make sure you subscribe to this channel because I will be posting videos just like this one every Thursday. Lots of people reach out to me to get coverage on a media outlet or in a media outlet that their ideal customer or client is paying attention to. And they always say, well, shouldn't I just advertise? Isn't that quicker and easier? Yes, it's quick and it's easy because you just pay for the coverage, but you're going to be paying a lot of money and it's not as effective. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can spend a lot less and get a lot more, not only in terms of publicity, but also in terms of ROI. So stay tuned because I'm about to break down the difference between advertising and publicity. Earned media is worth 3 times more than an advertisement. And this is why. It's because people are not paying attention to ads like they used to. They're actually paying attention to the content. So use yourself as an example. When you're watching the Today Show or Good Morning America, are you watching it for the commercials or are you watching it for the actual content? When you pick up a newspaper or a magazine, you want to read the news, you want to read the stories, you don't care about the ads. Same thing on social media. When you scroll through Facebook or Instagram, you don't want to see the ads. You want to see what your friends and the other people that you're following are up to. That's why earned media is worth 3 times more than an advertisement. That's why you want to make an effort to actually be in the content. You don't want to buy an ad because people are ignoring them. You want to be in the content, part of the actual content that is not being paid for. Before I go on, please let me know in the comments what your favorite media outlet is, where you think you should be. For me, it's business podcasts. Whenever I am on a podcast that focuses on business news, I see a bump in my email list. People are emailing me, they're sending me messages on Instagram. Some even call me after they hear me on a podcast. So I know that's where I need to be to see an ROI. Where do you need to be? Let me know in the comments. Earning media gives you an instant credibility with the know, like, and trust factor. Again, ads are something that you pay for. Anybody with money can create an ad. So the know, like, and trust factor is very different. The biggest difference is in that trust factor. If somebody is paying to be in front of you, why should you trust them? Of course, any media outlet is going to accept money for an ad. But when a media outlet chooses to put somebody there, that means that they trust that person and that person's expertise, so you should too. It's like a third-party endorsement. So the know, like, and trust factor is just so much bigger and greater for you when you earn media than when you spend money on an ad. It's an authority boost. Piggybacking off of the know, like, and trust factor we just talked about, when somebody chooses to put you as a guest on their podcast or sit you down for that 3-minute TV segment, you are seen as an authority in your industry. You would not be there if that big trusted media outlet did not believe that you were an authority, you were an expert, you were somebody credible. So when you earn that media exposure, you can take that logo and you can put it on your marketing materials. You can take that media hit, whether it be audio, video, or print, or even online, and you can share that on your social media, and your authority factor instantly increases because it's not you telling everybody you're great, it's somebody else telling everybody you're great. And that gives you so much more authority than you had before. And finally, earned media lasts longer, sometimes forever. When you spend money on an ad, it's only going to last a certain time. So maybe you're advertising in a local magazine and that magazine comes out once a month. After month 1, you're done. Now, if you earn coverage in a magazine, then that magazine article is most likely going to be put online and it's going to stay online. It's not going to come down because this is earned coverage. And you're going to get a link back when it ends up being online, a follow link back. When it's advertising, by law, that link back has to be a no follow link back, which does nothing for your SEO. This is huge because you're not only getting the coverage for free, but it is lasting so much longer. You just need to be patient with the process to earn this media coverage because it can last you forever. So now you know why you should save your money and stop spending it on advertising and instead invest a little bit of time to actually earn coverage because it gives you that know, like, trust factor. It gives you an authority, which is worth 3 times more than advertising for those reasons. And it can last a heck of a lot longer than any advertisement that you could pay for. Remember, if you're paying for an ad, you're gonna have to pay for it over and over and over again. I've written articles in Inc. magazine that I still rank for. I've done podcast interviews years ago that I can still find online. I don't think the advertisers can say the same thing. So if you're ready to step up your game and you want to earn some publicity, I can help you with that. I have created a free 3-day video media class called Pitch, Publicity, and Profit. On day 1, I teach you how to pitch the media. Day 2 is earning publicity that will last forever, a lot longer than an ad. And then day 3 is taking that publicity and turning it into profit. You can get that at MediaMavenandMore.com/publicity. I am also linking to it in the description for this video. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what your favorite content is to consume, where your ideal customer or client is. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I will be posting videos just like this one every Thursday.